Hello everyone, my name is Sabrena and I'm a programmer at the People's Library. Today for Storytime, I'm going to be reading We're Different, We're the Same, written by Bobby Jane Keats and illustrated by Joe Matthew, published by Random House Children's Books, a division of Penguin Random House LLC, copyright 1992 by Sesame Workshop. Sesame Street and associated characters, trademarks, and design elements are owned and licensed by Sesame Workshop. We're different. Our noses are different. We're the same. Our noses are the same. They breathe and sniff and sneeze and whiff. Our hair is different. Our hair is the same. It grows on us in several places. It warms our heads and frames our faces. Our mouths are different. Our mouths are the same. Their lips form words we say and smile when it's a happy day. Our skin is different. Our skin is the same. It tells us something's cold or hot, or wet or dry. It knows a lot. Muscles and bones are wrapped inside it. We all have blood and skin to hide it. It keeps in warmth, it keeps out dirt. It warns us so we don't get hurt. Our eyes are different. Our eyes are the same. They see, they blink, they weep, they wink. Our bodies are different. Our bodies are the same. They stretch and bend and work and play. They all need food and rest each day. They dance and wriggle and ride a bike. They might look different, but they're alike. Our feelings are different. Our feelings are the same. Lonely, worried, scared, excited, happy, loving, glad, delighted. We're the same, we're different. That's what makes the world such fun. Many kinds of people, not just one. A rainbow would be boring if it were only green or blue. What makes a rainbow beautiful is that it has every hue. So aren't you glad you look like you? We're different. We're the same. We're wonderful. The end. And that was We're Different, We're the Same. Alrighty, it's time for a sing-along. We are going to be doing head, shoulders, knees, and toes today. You can either do that standing up or you can do it sitting down like me. If you're going to sit down like me, you have to cross your legs like this, crisscross applesauce, so that you can touch your toes. Alright, so we're going to be doing head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And then as the verses progress, we're going to speed up. Is everybody ready? Alrighty. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Let's try it a
Little faster. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Faster?
Faster. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Faster?
Faster. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Faster. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Whew. And it's finished. There is a link to that song in the description below. Alright everybody, it's time for a craft. Today we are going to be doing paper plate portraits. Now, I got mine taped to a backboard so that I can let you guys see what I'm doing. Well, the first crayon you're going to start with is the crayon that matches your eye color. Now, my eye color is called Hazel, but it's closest to yellow. And I know my yellow crayon is short. So the first thing you're going to do is draw 2 yellow circles and color them in. Just about there. And that's your eyes. Then you're going to take your black crayon and you're going to create 2 little circles to be your pupils. And there's your eyes. Now, you're going to grab a crayon that matches your hair color. Mine is kind of brown, reddish brown. And mine's curly, so I'm going to do curly cues. Now, if you have straight hair, you can make it straight. So, to show you, I'm going to have curly hair on one side. I'm going to have straight hair on the other. See, I got straight hair on one side and curly hair on the other. Now, we're going to do rosy little cheeks. Actually, no, let's do eyebrows. So, we'll make two little curved lines right above our eyes. That's our eyebrows. Now we're going to do the cheeks. You're going to grab a pink crayon and you're going to make two ovals right underneath your eyes, and you're going to color those in. Now for the mouth. We're going to get our red crayon and we're going to draw an M in the middle of our mouth with a line under it, so it looks like two little boulders or upside down teeth. Then we're going to create a bowl-like shape underneath of it, and that's our bottom lip. And then we're going to color that in. Now, we're going to take the black crayon and we're going to draw a line across the middle of our mouth so that we can tell our bottom lip from our top lip. Now we're going to do our nose. Now, we're going to draw two lines in the middle of her face, and then two half circles just out beside at the end of those lines. And that is our self-portrait. Alright everybody, there is a link in the description below to a couple different ways to do self-portraits. There is also a Hoopla recommendation to We Are Different by Emilia King. Everybody stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next time.